Dear students, in this unit we will talk about the evolution of angiosperms. As angiosperms are the most successful of all land plants, their evolution is known as, you can call it a relatively rapid evolution, and that has surprised many people, including Charles Darwin, who have uh, considered it an abominable mystery. The rapid evolution of these angiospermic plants are considered by Charles Darwin as the abominable mystery. Now, angiosperms evolved during the late Cretaceous period. About the oldest angiospermic fossils, they are about 140 million years old. Now, when we talk about the evolution, angiosperms did not evolve from gymnosperms, but instead they evolved in parallel with the gymnosperms. They are diversified into more than 250,000 species at the moment, and they are the most successful of all land plants, dominating almost all terrestrial ecosystems. Three basic nodes of angiosperm radiations are identified during the course of evolution. Number one was the closed carpel and showy, radially symmetrical flowers. The flowers have the very distinct and brightly colored carpels, which are very much radially, symmetrically arranged on the flower as a very distinct patterns. Then they have bilateral flowers. If you cut the flowers into two halves, you will find them equally and similar to each other. Then the third one was fleshy fruits and nutritious nuts and seeds. These were very important nodes through the course of evolution when we talk about the angiosperms. Now, some paleobotanists which study the fossils of plants, they suggest that angiosperms originated initially as aquatic plants. From the aquatic environment, they moved to the land and they adapted very quickly themselves according to the conditions of terrestrial ecosystems. By the end of Cretaceous period, about 65 million years ago, angiosperms had become the dominant plants on Earth. It is believed that genetics of the angiosperm pressured the evolution of the group towards a reproductive system that favored outcrossing, which means that it favored outbreeding. Different breeds, they came together and they crossbreed with each other to produce a large variety of these flowering plants. This resulted in a stronger selection in the angiosperms being directed towards the formation of flowers, a different variety of flowers, different variety of fruits, as well as seeds.